Hello everyone, it's Mark from Worth It Repairs, and today we're working on a Potensic Drone arm replacement. As you can see, the arm is broken here, and we'll get it all taken apart, and it requires soldering for those that don't know and are just starting to do a repair and don't know what they're doing, so they're watching this video. First off, you're going to want to remove the battery. So you'll push it down and pull it out. And then you'll need to grab out a PH000 screwdriver to unscrew the screws from the bottom. Remove these 4 PH000 screws.
Smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
Now it's time to grab out your metal pry tool and pry off the top part of the shell and work your way from the back end to the front. And once you get the back off, you'll be able to wiggle and lift it off. And don't worry, there's nothing you're going to break, but just make sure you keep track of the front little bracket piece that falls out when you take this off. Next, we're going to take off our arm bracket, use our PH000 screwdriver, and remove the 2 screws holding down the bracket. So then we can take it out, and there is a little bit of a trick to it, and I'll show you in just a second. All right, we got the screws out. Flip it over, take your screwdriver and stick it right through the hole and push the bracket out and pierce it through, and you'll get that bracket out. Putting it back in is a different story. You're going to struggle putting it back in, and I just want to give you that warning that it is very frustrating if this is your very first time repairing something. Even though it's just PH000 screws, it is still difficult. So we're going to apply flux to the solder where we have to desolder the wires for the arm, and make sure we keep track of what goes where, because the markings of what color it is in Chinese or something, so you can't read it. Like, it's not like an R or like a black, yellow, white, and icon. So we'll get these desoldered, and then we'll move on with the repair. If this repair is too complicated for you, you can always email me, mark@worthitRepairs.com, and we can set up that you ship me your drone and I'll get it repaired for you. Ah man, I soldered it on incorrectly when I resoldered it back on. You gotta make it go through that little hole on the side here. So you gotta carefully stick the wires through this little hole on the side, and then once you get the wires through, then you solder it back together.
That even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds.
Now we'll solder it back on, and keep note of where you solder these soldering points, because I recommend you take a picture before you start desoldering anything in any repair, just so you know where it goes back together. Because sometimes just watching a video isn't good enough, but you can use my video as a reference. And the little icons on the board are in Chinese, so you can't read white, yellow, black at all. Perfect. Now we got to put the arm bracket back on. We'll check those solder points, so get it cleaned up, and then we'll start putting the bracket on. So with the bracket, you want to have the arm in open position, then stick the bracket in halfway, and then rotate the little white piece onto the plastic little standoff heads there, and then it will clip in, and you'll feel it snap in, and then you push it down, grab your PH000 screws quickly, and screw them back in, and then open and shut the arm to see if it worked. There you have it, folks. The hardest part of the repair accomplished. Getting the bracket back in is the hardest part. And I recommend that if you need help with the repair, just send in your repairs to me, Mark at worthyourrepairs.com, and we'll set that all up. That is awesome. We were able to fix it. We'll put it back together, and then we'll test it with the battery and give it a ground test before we take it flying. And then we'll fly it, and it will be all set. Anyways, that's how you replace the arm, and thank you for watching again. Just stay tuned for the rest of the video if you want, because it's basically over. All you gotta do is put it back together.
It's your turn.